Online gaming, social networking apps scrolling, and buying are all common activities. Watching videos on YouTube and other websites while you browse the internet. You most likely engage in these internet activities on a daily basis. I believe it to be rather routine. You check your phone's alerts first thing in the morning before getting ready for work or school. As you're traveling, you turn to your phone to pass the time while you're waiting for anything to happen. The same thing keeps happening day after day. You might be starting to feel a little bored right about now. That may be the case. So how about we shake things up a bit? I'm going to show you a brand new technique that will allow you to make a ton of money while continuing your daily usage of your phone or laptop. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's return to the video now. Do you wish to participate in this strategy? How about it? To properly understand the entire procedure, all you need to do is stick with me and watch the movie all the way through. Now, make sure to view this video completely before moving on to avoid missing any information that could cost you the entire thing. Before we move on to the core notion, let's talk about 4 outstanding websites you may use to accelerate your money accumulation and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Keep in mind that there won't be any investing fees or other costs associated with anything, because everything is so simple. You won't need to employ any special abilities or have any prior expertise, which is also excellent for your convenience. Additionally, you don't need to own any expensive or specialized equipment because, as I already mentioned, you can execute the full procedure utilizing a smartphone. It's all quite convenient and you can do it even while you're on the road. In addition, because it is accessible to all countries, it also has accessible peaks. These 4 websites will all operate in your favor no matter where you are in the world. Now, how much money can you make using this approach? Simply by joining up for any of these applications, you can instantly win $100. If you follow the instructions, you can make much more. Having stated that, let's jump straight into website number 1, appkarma.io. As soon as you go on their official page, it becomes clear that AppKarma is a platform where you may earn rewards by using a variety of their available apps. It functions as follows. Complete offers to gain prizes, then exchange your points for gift cards from major retailers or PayPal. What's more, it doesn't matter what kind of smartphone you have because it is compatible with both iOS and Android users. This indicates that both the Google Play Store for Android smartphones and the Apple Software Store for iOS devices provide free downloads of the app. I think that screams convenience. Therefore, there are actually 3 ways to monetize the app Karma. Starting with the app's referral system, I can assure you that it's currently among the greatest in its area. Simply share your invite link or referral code to participate in the referral program and receive 30% of your friends' earnings. Anyone interested in becoming an affiliate, including vloggers and YouTubers. There's also the VIP referral scheme, as we call it. Now, it would be excellent if you already have an established social media presence, such as on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, since that would imply that you have influence over the people who follow you. But even if you are a complete beginner with no prior experience, you can still use this if you share your link with as many people as you can. So this is not just for them. Second, Karma Plays. With Karma Plays, you can get daily incentives for using the apps you've downloaded. Keep the applications you received bonuses for and use them every day to gain more bonuses. Last but not least, achievement badges. I told you that you may make money just by enjoying yourself while playing games. This is actually a further key that will enable you to broaden the scope of this chance and work harder and more judiciously to make much more money. When you complete tasks like installing 5 apps, watching 25 videos, checking in 5 times, etc., you can win extra bonuses. You can receive up to a 12.5 bonus each time you finish an app offer, increasing your reward level each time you get a Karma Play badge for levels 1 through 4. That's pretty awesome, no? The second website I want to show you is called instagc.com and is up next. In essence, it means instant gift cards, which you can quickly receive digital gift cards. With only a few clicks of your mouse, you can instantly join the rapidly expanding community and start earning free gift cards by engaging in daily activities that you currently perform online. These include finishing surveys, watching movies, doing online shopping, and doing web searches. It's exactly what I mentioned to you from the outset. Now that there are more than 320 gift cards available, you can exchange your points for them depending on whatever business you choose. They collaborate with some of the biggest brands in the world, so you can be confident that your gift cards will be put to good use. The primary benefit of using InstaGC to receive gift cards is that they are all given online. Gift cards can be sent to a friend and spent in stores or online. Earning 100 points, which you can subsequently convert into real assets by using your gift cards, is as simple as counting to 3. So encouraging, right? Without further ado, let's begin the website and proceed to the registration process that is already incorporated on the homepage. To make your life much easier, you have the option to continue the sign-up process using Facebook, Twitter, or Google. You can also fill out their short application form by hand by first entering your email address and then your login, password, and password confirmation. You can immediately receive 10 points after signing up for InstaGC, which is only the chef's kiss. I'd like to show you the third website, which is named SuperPay.me. SuperPay is one of the best platforms for helping people on their quest to financial freedom, and it has become a mainstay in the field of online money generating. As you can see, SuperPay is a platform that makes it simple to earn money online. They take pleasure in being known as the fastest paying survey site. Using PayPal, Skrill, or gift cards, you can withdraw money instantaneously starting at just $1. You may take paid surveys, look into offers, and get a free join bonus right now. There can never really be any doubt about SuperPay with over 3,000 reviews on Trustpilot. All of this is legal, efficient, and cost-free, I assure you. Additionally, SuperPay provides quick payment because their 8-hour payment guarantee enables you to receive your money the same day. Additionally, you can work from the comfort of your home while earning money online by completing surveys, offers, trials, games, and many other tasks. To provide you with the best surveys, they even partner with reputable top companies. You may declare that everything is safe and secure thanks to these important advantages. In addition, they guarantee that they won't ever disclose your information without your permission. SuperPay is doing well, and they have already paid out a huge sum to all of their members, who are located all over the world, totaling around $5 million. You may complete everything on the registration page by simply clicking this green button, which will transport you there in a flash. I'm going to show you a website called Cashkick.com as the fourth one. They say that money is the best reward, and I have never heard those words be more accurate. This works by adding money to your account to pay for all the enjoyable things you already do online, almost exactly the same as the earlier ones. Now, bear in mind that their platform is free and that there are no additional fees. Everything is highly secure because they always get your permission before acting or putting your money. As a result, you feel secure and can confidently assert that this platform is reliable. After that, proceed with the registration procedure by providing your email address and password or by just creating a PayPal account. You will be guided towards success in any case. The ideal way to make this complete strategy effective is to keep exploring and make the most of all the websites. It is best to use every website at once because everything functions well and effectively. By doing this, you can guarantee yourself a brighter tomorrow and put yourself on the road to financial freedom. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.